Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming the exact account identifier and preparing recovery tools. Type the full email or phone, including dots or aliases, because Google treats variations differently. Once done, open an incognito window to avoid cookie conflicts and go to the account recovery page. Make sure your recovery phone or email is nearby and any recent passwords you remember are written down. These details increase success rates. You're starting the actual process now, so don't detour into settings yet. You'll proceed through Google's prompts and provide the most accurate answers you can. When asked for the last password you remember, enter it even if imperfect, because approximate matches help. If a verification text or email isn't available, use the Try Another Way link to request a backup code or confirm recent activity. Make sure to pick the device and location you commonly used with the account. Google weights those heavily. Keep calm and methodically try each path. Variety improves the odds. You'll finish by setting a new, unique password and immediately enabling two-step verification to prevent future losses. If Google accepts your verification, review recovery options and add a current phone and secondary email. If the recovery attempt fails, wait 24 to 72 hours before retrying with different details. Rapid retries can lock further attempts. As a last resort, use Google's account, help flow, and prepare screenshots and proof of ownership. This improves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.